Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we are going to discuss important frequently asked questions in exam related to tribes in India. These are selected. Now let's begin with the first question. How many tribes are there in India? Right answer is 645. There are around 645 distinct tribes in India and who are called tribes. In general terms, a tribe is a human social group which mainly live in forested region and survive by hunting animals and by carrying out shifting cultivation. They have their own culture, religious beliefs and tradition which are completely different from mainstream practices. The tribal communities in India have been recognized by the Indian Constitution under Schedule 5 of the Constitution. And for scheduled tribe, National Commission for Scheduled Tribe is there, and it was established through 89th Amendment Act of 2003. And National Commission for Scheduled Tribe set up under Article 338A. Move to next question. In which state of India resides the maximum number of tribes? Right answer is Madhya Pradesh. As per 2011 census, Madhya Pradesh has the highest scheduled tribe population. It has around 1.6 crore scheduled tribe population, and which are more 21% of its state population. 21% of its state population. And move to next question. Which is the largest tribe in India? Right answer is Bhil. As per 2011 census of India, Bhil is the most populous tribe with total population of 46,18,068, and Gonda, it is second most populous tribe in India as per 2011 census. Move to next question. What is the percentage of tribal population in India? Right answer is 8.6%. As per 2011 census, scheduled tribes acquired 8.6% of total India's population. Move to next question. Museum for tribal freedom fighters will set up in how many states? Correct answer is 10. The central government has decided to set up tribal freedom fighters museum in 10 states in the country to ensure the legacy is not forgotten. This museum will exist in rich tribal cultural heritage of the regions. These 10 museums will come up in AP and Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat and Jharkhand, Kerala and MP, Manipur and Mizoram and Telangana. Move to next question. Among the 75 listed PVTGs, the highest number are found in which state? Correct answer is Odisha. What is PVTGs? It means particularly vulnerable tribal group, earlier known as primitive tribal group. And PVTG is a Government of India's classification created with the purpose of enabling the improvement in the conditions of certain communities with particularly low development indices. PVTGs means particularly vulnerable tribal groups are more vulnerable among the tribal groups. Due to this factor, more developed and assertive tribal groups takes major chunk of the tribal development funds, because of which PVTs PVTGs need more funds directed for their development. Among the 75 listed PVTGs, the highest number are found in Odisha. Total 13 PVTs are found in Odisha, followed by Andhra Pradesh, AP, followed by AP, It, it includes all PVTs. Total 75 listed group of PVT tribal identified total in 18 states. 75 PVTs are identified in 18 states and 1 union territories. Move to next question. TRIFED falls under the ambit of which union ministry? Correct answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. TRIFED stands for Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, and it was formed in 1987. And the ultimate objective of TRIFED is socio-economic development of tribal people in the country by way of marketing development of the tribal products on which the lives of tribals depends heavily, as they spend most of their time and derive major portion of their income. Move to next question. The government of India celebrates Janjatiya Gaurav Divas on which date? Correct answer is November 15. The central government has declared November 15 as a Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, which will be observed every year as a mark of homage to the tribal freedom fighters of the country. November 15 marks the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda. Bhagwan Birsa Munda. He was a tribal freedom fighter and religious leader who belonged to Munda community, and he revered as a god by tribal communities across India. Move to next question. In which state of India Gonda tribes live? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Found in Chinchwad district of Madhya Pradesh and parts of Maharashtra, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Gondas are the second biggest tribe, and Gondas are second biggest tribe in India. They are known for their valor and speak many languages, including Dravidian Gondi language, and they have houses of mud walls and thatched roofs in the Gondi forest. And agriculture is the main occupation of Gonda tribes. Move to next question. Changpa tribe is found in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Ladakh. Changpas are a semi-nomadic Tibetan people found mainly in Changtang in Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir. In 1989, Changpas were declared as a scheduled tribes. Move to next question. In which of the following states or union territory the Jarawa tribe reside? Correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Apart from this, Great Andamanese. Great Andamanese tribe also found here. Move to next question. In which among the following state of India Bodo tribe found? Correct answer is Assam. The Bodo tribe is found in Assam and parts of West Bengal and Nagaland. They are believed to be early indigenous settlers of Assam. They speak Burmese language. The Bodo tribes speak Bodo language. They celebrate Baishagu festival in spring dedicated to Lord Shiva. Move to next question. In which among the following state Warli Tribe Fund. Right answer is Maharashtra. The tribe is found in Maharashtra and some part of Gujarat. This tribe is well known for Warli tribe is well known for its Warli art. Warli art, where a mixture of cow dung and the earth, rice paste and bamboo stick, red ochre are used to create art and paintings and murals. And they conduct tarpa tarpa dance during the harvest season. Move to next question. The Munda tribes is inhabited in which of the following areas? Correct answer is Chota Nagpur plateaus. And mainly they are found in Jharkhand and West Bengal and Odisha. And they predominantly speak Mundari language. And they are one of the India's largest scheduled tribe. Move to next question. In which state of India Santala tribes are found? Correct answer is here is West Bengal. The Santala tribes are a major tribes of West Bengal and they are also seen in the parts of Bihar, Odisha and Assam, and the largest tribe in Jharkhand as well. They depend on agriculture and livestock for their living. Move to next question. In which among the following states of India Angami tribe fund? Correct answer is Nagaland. The Angami Nagas is one of the major tribes found in the district of Kohima district of Nagaland. The tribe is best known for the famed Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival. This festival is known as a festival of festivals. Move to next question. Gavari, Hatimana and Gair dance are performed by which tribe of Rajasthan? Correct answer is Bill. The Bills are the largest tribes in India. They found in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, MP and AP. They mostly speak Billi language. Move to next question. In which among the following states of India Kurumba tribe fund? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. Kurumbara are designated scheduled tribes in Indian states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Move to next question. Chola and Dora are the popular traditional dress of which among the following tribes? Right answer is Gadi. Gadis are tribes found in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Move to next question. In which among the following states Siddhi tribes are found? Correct answer is Karnataka. Siddhi tribes are living in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Siddhi tribes included in central PVTGs. PVTG stands for particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Move to next question. In which state of India Soliga tribe live? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. The Soligas inhabits in the dense forest of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Soligas speak Sholaga language. Which has Kannada and Tamil influence. The main source of livelihood is sale of ragi, honey, wild turmeric, alage, bamboo, and etc. harvested by them. Move to next question. In which among the following states of India Iruluru tribe fund? Right answer is Kerala. Iruluru tribes inhabits areas of Nilgiri mountains in Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. They are the second largest tribes in Kerala. Are found mostly in Palakkad region of Kerala. They are mainly farmers and depend on the production of paddy, dal, ragi, chilies, turmeric and plantains. Move to next question. Which of the following tribe is not related to Meghalaya? Correct answer is Buksa. Buksa tribes living mainly in Uttarakhand and UP. Meghalaya is dominated by three major tribes, namely Garo, who resides in Garo Hills, Garo and Khasi and Jantia and Nonge Krema. Nonge Krem is the most important festival of Khasi tribe. Khasi tribe. Move to next question. Chenchu's scheduled tribes belongs to which state of India? Right answer is Telangana. Chenchus are a Dravidian tribe designated scheduled tribe in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Odisha. Chenchus speak Chenchu language. Mainly Chenchus live in deciduous Nalla Malla forest of Andhra Pradesh. And move to next question. In which among the following states of India Nishi tribe fund? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. This tribe inhabits in the mountains of Arunachal Pradesh. A good majority of them have converted to Christianity. Naikom is a festival that is celebrated by Nishi tribe and that is dedicated to goddess Naikom. Move to next question. Which of the following regions is the original habitat of Toda tribe? Correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. The Todas are Dravidian ethnic group. They found in the parts of Nilgiri mountains in Tamil Nadu. Their livelihood depends on the cattle farming and dairy. Toda embroidery works, Pokuru is well acclaimed. Their most important festival is Toda's most important festival is Modwet. Move to next question. In which state Kuki tribes live? Correct answer is Mizoram. They native to Mizo Hills of Mizoram. Move to next question. Dapla and Lampu tribes are found in which state? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Dapla, it is the largest tribe in Arunachal Pradesh and also known as Nisi. That's it. for today.
The PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. If you like this session, please like and share it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.